In this video, we're going to look at the domain of a rational function. Domain is the set of x values we can put into a function. A rational function is a particular type of function that is formed by two polynomials, but to keep it easy in this video, we'll just call it f of x over g of x. When you're finding the domain of irrational functions, it's important that we don't use values of x that make the denominator equal to 0. Because of that, we're going to use this strategy. We're going to start by finding when g of x is equal to 0, then we can take those values out of the overall domain. As an example, if I have f of x is x plus 4 over x squared plus 4x minus 21, we are going to completely ignore the numerator. It's not part of how we find the domain. Instead, we want to focus on the denominator and set it equal to 0. Once I have x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0, I can factor it into x plus 7 times x minus 3 equals 0. Then we'll set each factor equal to 0, so we get x is negative 7 and x is 3. Now that we know when the denominator is equal to 0, we want to remove those numbers from our domain. So instead of writing x equals negative 7 and x equals 3, we're going to say x cannot be negative 7 and x cannot be equal to 3. To help us visualize the domain, I put in a real number line. Let's mark these two numbers that we can't have. We can't have negative 7, we can't have 3. Now we want to look at what's left over. We can have anything less than negative 7, we can have anything between negative 7 and 3, and we can have anything greater than 3. This forms three intervals. The first interval goes from negative infinity to negative 7, then I have negative 7 to 3, and I finish with 3 to infinity. The last step is to put in the symbol U for union that shows these three intervals form the domain of our function.